Hi mga higala, this is Maestra Judy. Welcome to Cebuano 101. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to say time to wake up. It's morning. Okay, it's morning. Time to wake up. It's morning in Bisaya Cebuano. Okay, so this is actually the formal way to say it. Okay? Oras na para mumata. Buntag na. Oras na para mamata, buntag na. Okay, there are other variations on how to say this. Okay, so let me break this down for you guys. Oras is time. Okay, na, it means already or now. Para mumata, to wake up. Mumata, para mumata, to wake up. And then, mata here, mga higala, it means, if it's a noun, it means eyes. And if it's a verb, in this case, it means wake up. Okay, wake up. So, para mo mata, to wake up. Okay? And then, buntag means morning. And then, na is already or now. Right? So, oras na para mamata, buntag na. This is the formal way to say it, like if you are going to word for word translate it to the English language. However, there are other ways to say this in a more conversational way. Number one, pangmata na mo kay buntag na. Use this if you are talking to two or more people. Okay? Pangmata na mo kay buntag na. Let's break down the first one. Pangmata. So the pang here is like the command pang. Okay. Pangmata means wake up. Okay. It's command. And then na, you already know that. Already or now. And then mo means you all. Okay. Mo is you all. And then kai. Kai is because or is. But in this case, this is because. And then buntag, morning. And then na is already or now. Okay? And then the second one, mata na kay buntag na. Mata na kay buntag na. Mata na kay buntag na. Okay? So those are the two ways, the conversational way of saying, time to wake up, it's morning. Tip, don't forget to test yourself to help with word retention. And then, mga higala, these are my Bisaya Cebuano books. These are available on Amazon and on my website, Cebuano101.com. And it's also available in Shopee and Lazada if you want to buy from there. Okay? So, I hope to see you next time, mga higala, for another short, quick lesson. Daghang salamat. Amping kanunay. Bye!